I'm going to show you how to use the circuit construction kit to build a circuit that we could use to test the electrical conductivity of different materials. First, we have to build a circuit that allows a light bulb to light up. So we choose a light bulb, and we'll need to power it with a battery. Now we need to connect the battery to the bulb. To do this, we'll use two wires. Connect one end of the wire to the bottom of the bulb, and connect the other end of the wire to the bottom of the battery. Get a second wire, connect it to the side of the bulb and the other end of the battery. And you can see we have electricity flowing through our circuit now, and the bulb has lit up. This is a closed circuit. It allows the bulb to light. Now let's open this circuit by cutting one of these connections. So click it and then click the scissors. Now the circuit is open and electricity cannot flow. We can use some of these other items on the list here to see how it affects our circuit. For example, I can put this resistor here. Does it allow electricity to flow? Yes, but it's moving a little bit more slowly, and my yellow lines are not as long, meaning that I think the electricity is not flowing as quickly or as efficiently. We can just click this actually and put it in the trash can. And let's choose something else. Here are the items that I want you to test: the dollar bill, the paper clip, the coin, and so on. So I'm not going to use them. Hand, dog, pencil. Let's see. Pick one. How about the fuse? What does this do? Electricity is flowing just fine. Click it, put it in the trash can. What if I use the switch? Electricity is not flowing. The circuit is open. Let's close the circuit. And now electricity is flowing. So your job is going to be to take these other items, for example, the dollar bill, and put it into your circuit to see if it can conduct electricity. If the bulb lights up, then it does conduct electricity. If the bulb does not light up, then your material does not conduct electricity.